So just like Google AI mode, once you go to google.com and you click on add and you upload an image, this tool can tell you exactly what an image is like. And as you can see, it's detecting I add the image and I can hit search and it's going to detect and tell me exactly what this image is about. So that's pretty cool, right? However, Google has this really cool tool that's called NotebookLM. And so let me head over there. Once you head over to notebook.lm.google.com, you can easily create a notebook by simple clicking create new in the upper right, or just simple click where it says recent notebooks, click and create a new notebook. From here, you'll have a pop-up once you create a new one and you can choose to upload files, get a video from YouTube, files from your Google Drive, or even copy text right here. And you can also use the chat here to search the web. Now I'm going to go ahead and click upload a file again and choose the same image. You can use this tool to tell you exactly what this image is about. And so this is a really cool tool from Google. It's called NotebookLM that you can use to analyze any kind of files that you have. As you can see in the right hand side right here, they're currently grayed out by the way, but you are able to analyze and get overview of your audio files, your video files, maps, reports, quiz, side decks. You have your images, whatever it is that you want, guys, you can use it to analyze. And right now you can see that it's currently scanning the file and it's going to come up and it's going to analyze exactly what it is and give me a detailed description of what this tool is inside the image. And what I really like, I just want to tell you a little bit more about this tool. If you want to analyze and get, for example, a transcript of a video or want to know what a video is about, you can get a link from YouTube, copy that link, and it's going to tell you exactly what it is. It's going to summarize the video and also give you the transcript of that video as well. I'm going to show you that later video. So if you'd like to see it, hit that subscribe button. But guys, while this is analyzing, I just want to say you've got to try out this tool. It's really, really cool to use. All right, and there you have it, guys. This finished checking the image, and as you can see, it tells me exactly that this is a hand-free neck mount for smartphones, and just give you a brief description of what it is. How cool is that? And so this is just a tip of the iceberg of what this tool can do. So if you find value here, give this video a like. But just to summarize, this is Google Notebook LM, and you can easily use it to analyze what images are all about. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.